Welcome to my school. It is so modern. I love science.
History is fun. Lunch is delicious.
Time to study.
Look what we made.
See you tomorrow.
Hey, how are you? I'm doing great.
Welcome to our morning assembly. Let us focus on kindness and responsibility. Remember that teamwork makes us stronger. Have a wonderful day of learning.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Come on in. Today, we will explore the relationship between algebra and geometry. I think we need to solve for x first. That makes sense.
Welcome to the science laboratory. Please find your stations. We are ready to begin. Watch as the solution changes color.
I will record the observations.
This matches the textbook diagram. That math test was actually fun.
I agree.
Ready, set,
Go! I will record the observations.
This matches the textbook diagram. Welcome to geography class. Settle in, everyone. They are vital for human life. Let's locate the Amazon River. South America. Spot on. Come explore the map. Great job discovering the river systems. Welcome to history class, everyone. Let us begin. Tapping here reveals ancient Rome. Their inventions still shape our world.
Their expansion. I definitely agree.
Keep exploring these connections.
Welcome to my presentation on communication. It is about sharing ideas effectively.
That makes perfect sense to me.
Let me read this sentence first.
Welcome to technology class, everyone. Take your seats. Today we will learn about digital literacy. Let's understand basic coding.
I agree with that. Let's add another image.
Great problem solving.
You'll find the digital archives right through here. Wow. I love how you are expressing your ideas today. Keep it up.
This salad is so fresh and delicious.
I agree.
I'm so glad we have recess now.
That was a really fun art class. Hello there.
I'm so glad we have recess now.
That was a really fun art class. Hello there.
I'm so glad we have...
Good form on that dribble. Excellent. Fantastic effort today. Remember, it's about fair play and fun.
We need to filter the water first.
Then we can distribute it.
Let's connect these 2 points.
But will that pressure be enough? How could you make this system sustainable?
We can use gravity. Yes, that would work.
Let's talk about your habits.
I'm planning my study time.
Good friendships really help.
Let's look at your goals. You are prepared for the future. What did you learn today?
We learned about geometry. We studied plant cells.
We located different continents.
We discussed ancient civilizations.
Larry words.
Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow. We located different continents.
Have a great afternoon.